Today we're gonna unbox this high performance air blowgun. It's made from Capri tools. Got a little extension here, looks like a silencer. Let's go ahead and open it up. Delivers exceptional airflow at 72 CFM. It does have an adjustable airflow. Fits any holes with 1/4 inch. Used with 90 psi compressed air lines. So that end combined is 6.5 inches. Let's go ahead and open it up. There we go. Get this out of the way. Feels pretty nice, actually. Easy to adjust. Let's go ahead and hook it up and see what it does. The one I was using before was this one. Does the job, but I need more air. Small little tip there. So these, I do use them to clean out the PCs, the PlayStation 5s, whenever they get dusty. Really handy to have one of these. So I'll be using my DeWalt here. Let's go ahead and plug it in. There we go. So far, this thing is really nice. Let's go ahead and remove this. We're gonna add this one. It doesn't work that well just with that thing. There we go. Let me see again. Yeah, it does help. So I always use the little attachment here, this little small one, the one with the little hole. It does make a lot more air to come out. Not sure why. Does have some debris there. Let's see if it removes it. So far, my thoughts, it's really nice. If you need some extra airflow and you had something like this that doesn't blow enough air, go ahead and get yourself one of these. This little thing, you have to just tweak it a little bit. Just a little bit. If you go too far, it'll open up the valve again. Other than that, it's really nice.